How to use coupons in Epic Games. Let's get started. Launch your Epic Games. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on this option of coupons. Open it. You do not have any coupons. In order to receive coupons on your Epic Games account, what you have to do is click on this profile icon again. Now head towards the option of account. Open it. With that, a new tab will open up. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of email preferences. Open it. You will see this option over here. I would like to receive news, surveys, and special offers from Epic Games. Enable for this option. Likewise, scrolling down, you're gonna find different options over here. Check in for all these options and then click on Save Changes. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. Now you will be receiving mail from Epic Games for different surveys and promotional events and activities. Participating in those events, you will get the coupons. After you get access to the coupons, now whenever you make your next purchase, the coupons will automatically be applied to your purchase and the certain amount will be deducted on your purchase based on the coupon. So this is how you can use the coupons in Epic Games. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.